welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make wheels, so let's start. Make the body and the tail and the fin and the smile and also the eyes. You can make waves or anything. Let's start. Make the line with the whale and make swirls and the cloud. You can also make a baby whale under here. Make sure to make the fin smaller and the tail. It's looking everywhere, that's why it's small. And another cloud. And the sun. And you can make more waves and more fishes and anything. Make fish. Smiley fish and another small fish and it's smiling. Color wave like this. No. Use Indian blue. You see like this. It's gonna be beautiful. Make more spirals. Only small ones. Make hole and a splash like this. This is a finished look. Thank you for watching my video. See you soon.